Hey everybody, welcome to Keto-alicious, and today I am making low carb steak filet mignons, little mini medallions in garlic, butter, and rosemary. And the rosemary is going to be from my garden, so walk with me and let's take a look at me going to my garden. I'm going to turn the cameras around. I have neighbors that have mowing their yard, and so please forgive me with any noise, but come with me and let's walk and let's go get some of my rosemary in my garden. Alright guys, so I have just left my kitchen and I am walking to my garden, which I don't think I've even showed you guys yet. I did a raised bed garden and I didn't do a very big one because it's just myself and my husband. My husband doesn't like to eat a lot of veggies. But I've got one side that has, and they need to be watered. My tomatoes, and we've had a lot of rain, so my plants haven't been doing super great, but they're starting to spruce up and they're looking really amazing. So there are some tomato plants, and I have, oh my gosh, I have stevia right there. And this is my big old basil plant that was inside. It's out of control, but I might have to cut it down. Some rosemary, some tarragon right here. Let's see, what do I have? I've forgotten. I've got cinnamon basil right there, and I have mint chocolate right there, and I have oregano, rosemary, and thyme. So anyway, I'm gonna cut some of these as we speak, and I'm gonna take it in, and we're gonna use this for cooking today. So I'm gonna take a sprig of that, just a little bit, put it on the side there. I'm gonna take a little bit there, and I'm going to take a little bit there. Oops, just don't need very much. So I've got these. I've got everything for salads, for salsa, and also over here I have green peppers, green beans. My green beans aren't doing very good. They've been really wet, but I do have, oh my gosh, I do have some little ones there. My romaine lettuce is doing amazing. And this side over here, my green onions, they're not doing so great. I have cilantro, but I'm going to give them a chance and keep watering them. I think they'll do good. So here we go with my fresh herbs. Let's walk back in and do some cooking. Alright guys, so here's some of my fresh herbs I just went outside with you and cut. And I am going to put those, I'm going to take you with me over here. Whoops. Maybe. Let me see here. I'm going to take you with me over here to cook. And I have 3 little medallions. And I'm going to take you right here so you could watch me as I cook. Maybe. There we go. And bring you down to my pan. Perfect. All right, so I have taken my medallions, or my filet mignon steaks, and I have cut them up. There's 3 of them. Cut them up, and now I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of butter. And I had a little bit of garlic butter for my family the other night, so I want to take that garlic flavor and put that in there because I think that will be amazing. And then I'm taking my rosemary, thyme, and tarragon, and I'm adding that to it, and I want it, I've got it on about medium, and I want that to brown. So while that's browning, I just want to share with you guys that these can be called like steak bites, steak butter bites. They are amazing. So I want to share them with you because I think that this has got to be one of my all-time favorites. And you just allow that butter to melt, and you allow the fresh herbs to sit in there and just do its thing, do its thing, do its thing, do its thing. Oh, that just smells. I wish you guys could smell it. It is so yummy. And now I'm going to take the meat from my 3 filet medallions, or little mini steaks. And guys, you don't have to use this kind of meat. You can use regular steak if you have your favorite. Whatever you want to do, don't feel like you need to do what I do. I just love fillets. So a little bit of Himalayan sea salt, and I'm going to put some black pepper into that. Oh gosh, oh, it smells so amazing. So I'm just, and I don't know, do you guys like your steak medium rare, medium, well done? If you say well done, enjoy. Mine's going to be medium rare, so I'm going to put you back to my food. I'm going to just cook these really fast to be medium rare. And I do have them on medium, and allow this butter to just seep up into these. And just get them brown on the outside but tender on the inside is my main goal. This is super easy. This can be done for any dinner. You could add any kind of a vegetable, a salad to this. And you know what? I am not going to take out these fresh herbs. I'm going to leave them in. I think that they just look so beautiful. Depending on how well you like your steak or your steak bites will determine how long you cook them. I've had mine on for about 2 minutes now, and I just keep stirring. I tried to cut all the pieces as the same, but I would say about another minute and they're going to be to my liking. So I will pull them out. Now you can use this sauce for dipping for later, and I keep it because I like to pour it over the top of my meat, and then of course eat it when it's really, really warm, and add a side. Today I'm not going to add a side to it because I'm just cooking these, but I wanted to give you guys an amazing look on these. Look at that. Oh my gosh, look how beautiful those are. So pretty. Now this is probably enough for 2 people because each one of those steaks was about 3 ounces. So just to give you an idea, unless you have a really hungry person, I would say this will feed 2 people. Oh my gosh, look at that. See, look at that. You guys are going to have to be looking in about a week or so in my store. I have merchandise coming out that says, look at that. All right. So I'm going to pour that sauce right over the top of it because I don't want to waste it. Oh, beautiful. I'm going to take it over here, guys. Follow me. Follow me. Oh, so pretty. So, so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. All right, guys, so this is so beautiful. Look at that. It's hard. I don't want to bend it over because I don't want it to drip. Woo, it's beautiful. I'll bring the camera down to it here in just a minute, but I wanted to share with you how easy it is to make these. So tender. The rich taste of the butter. I use the Kerrygold butter salted. I put some garlic into it, herbs from my garden, rosemary, thyme, and tarragon. Just one sprig is enough to flavor it. Himalayan sea salt, black pepper. Cook this thing to your liking. I like it medium rare. So good. I love this. I'm gonna have another bite. Oh my God. So tender. I don't have words. This is an easy recipe. You can also put this in a pan and you could throw this in your barbecue and you could set that in there and you'll get the same effect, cooking it as long as you want it or not as long. So today I made a really quick recipe, super easy. You could take this on the run, you can cook it early, you can have it for lunch, you can put it on salads, you can put it in dishes, you can eat it plain, you can do whatever you want with it. You can put it in a Tupperware, reheat it really quick, and eat it on the go. Super easy way to get some great protein. I also want to ask you guys, leave me a comment below if you have preferences as far as what types of recipes you would like me to cook in low carb or keto form. If you've got ideas, you can also in the comments, you can also leave me maybe links to recipes. Make sure they're yours. And if you've got recipes that you are missing from doing the keto lifestyle or doing the low carb lifestyle, feel free to send those to me, info@ketoalicious.com, info@ketoalicious, KETOALICIOUS.com, and send them to me. And if you're one of the lucky ones, maybe I will call your name, give you a shout out, and also let you know what I've done to convert your recipe and maybe even make it. How do you feel about that? So leave a comment below and let me know what recipes, number one, what recipes maybe you would like me to make. Number two, if you have your very own recipe, make sure it's yours. No cheating, no taking a recipe from somebody else, unless it's an ordinary one on like Pinterest or something that we're gonna be changing it anyway. So if there's something that you're missing in your lifestyle food-wise, I'm gonna help you. I'm gonna help you convert your recipe or maybe even make a recipe that is yours and give you a shout out. Until next time, you guys, I hope that you take advantage of this. This is so amazing. Give me a little while and I'll have that recipe up on my blog so that if you can always watch this, and I kind of give the amounts as I cook, but I always have a backup too. So stay tuned, guys, and I wasn't kidding about my look at that merchandise. It's coming soon. It's in the makes, so be watching for that as well. Until next time, I love each and every one of you guys. If you're not a subscriber, please do, and I will see you on the next video. Bye for now.